During the fall months and depending on where you live, St. Augustine lawns are probably starting to recover from the summer heat and need to prepare for winter dormancy. Keep your St. Augustine at a height of 2 to 4 inches for optimum performance, depending on the variety of St. Augustine you have. Palmetto St. Augustine works best at a height of 2 to 2.5 inches, while CitraBlue St. Augustine performs better at a height of 2 to 3 inches. However, let your lawn grow slightly taller than our recommended range in the fall to encourage deeper root growth. Deeper roots help the grass survive during winter dormancy. The roots below are what keep the grass alive, while the blades above the surface are dormant. For more information on mowing heights, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Palmetto and CitraBlue St. Augustine. If you have a different kind of St. Augustine, refer to our generic St. Augustine maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our fall maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for St. Augustine lawns.